Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with a severe weather update for the Day 1 outlook. We have an enhanced risk for severe weather today that encompasses central Montana. Cities in today's enhanced include Billings, Montana, Great Falls, Montana, Helena, Montana, Laurel, Montana, and Lewistown, Montana. We have a slight today that covers areas surrounding the enhanced in Montana. The slight also covers northeastern and eastern Wyoming, southwestern South Dakota, western Nebraska, eastern Colorado, western Kansas, northwestern Oklahoma, most of the Oklahoma Panhandle, and northeastern part of the Texas Panhandle. Cities in today's slate include Bozeman, Montana, Butte, Montana, Garden City, Kansas, Dodge City, Kansas, and North Platte, Nebraska. And we have two marginals today. One marginal covers a small part of Idaho, parts of Montana, parts of South Dakota, parts of Wyoming, central Nebraska, central Colorado, central Kansas, eastern New Mexico, northern and western Texas, most of Oklahoma, and west central Arkansas. And the second marginal today covers parts of Louisiana, most of Mississippi, the northwestern half of Alabama, extreme northwestern Georgia, much of Tennessee, much of Kentucky, extreme southeastern Indiana, and extreme southwestern Ohio. Cities in today's marginals include Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Nashville, Tennessee, New Orleans, Louisiana, Tulsa, Oklahoma, and Wichita, Kansas. Now going to the tornado threat for today. There is a 5% chance of an isolated tornado today encompassing central Montana. Cities in the 5% tornado risk area today include Billings, Montana, Great Falls, Montana, Helena, Montana, Laurel, Montana, and Lewistown, Montana. And there's a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today that encompasses parts of Montana, areas surrounding the 5% of Montana. The 2% also covers northeastern and eastern Wyoming, southwestern South Dakota, western Nebraska, and northeastern Colorado. Cities in the 2% tornado risk area today include Rapid City, South Dakota, Bozeman, Montana, Butte, Montana, Gillette, Wyoming, and Sheridan, Wyoming. So going to the wind threat for today, there is a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour or higher today that encompasses much of Montana, parts of Wyoming, southwestern South Dakota, western Nebraska, eastern Colorado, western Kansas, northwestern Oklahoma, most of the Oklahoma Panhandle, and the northeastern part of the Texas Panhandle. Cities in the 15% wind risk area today include Billings, Montana, Great Falls, Montana, Bozeman, Montana, Butte, Montana, and Helena, Montana. Now, if you look at the black dashed area encompasses central Montana. The black dashed area is the highest potential to see hurricane-force wind gusts of 74 miles per hour higher from thunderstorms today. Cities in the black dashed area for wind today include Billings, Montana, Great Falls, Montana, Laurel, Montana, and Lewistown, Montana. And again, the black dashed area is the highest potential to see hurricane-force wind gusts of 74 miles per hour or higher from thunderstorms today. Okay? And there are two areas where we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today. Sorry, I think I'm coming out with a cold here, so just bear with me. I'm a little stuffy. One of the 5% wind risk areas today encompass parts of Idaho, small parts of Idaho, parts of Montana, parts of Wyoming, parts of South Dakota, central Nebraska, central Colorado, central Kansas. Why'd you do that to me? The 5% wind risk also encompasses eastern New Mexico, northern and western Texas, most of Oklahoma, and west central Arkansas. And the other 5% wind risk today encompasses parts of Louisiana, most of Mississippi, the northwestern half of Alabama, extreme northwestern Georgia, most of Tennessee, most of Kentucky, extreme southeastern Indiana, and extreme southwestern Ohio. Cities in the 5% wind risk areas today include Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Nashville, Tennessee, New Orleans, Louisiana, Tulsa, Oklahoma, and Wichita, Kansas. Going to the hail for today, there is a 30% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today that encompasses central Montana. Cities in the 30% hail risk area today include Billings, Montana, Great Falls, Montana, Helena, Montana, Laurel, Montana, and Lewistown, Montana. So there is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today, encompassing parts of Montana, which is basically surrounding the 30% in Montana. The 15% hail risk also encompasses parts of Wyoming, southwestern South Dakota, western Nebraska, eastern Colorado, western Kansas, most of the Oklahoma Panhandle, northwestern Oklahoma, and the northeastern part of the Texas Panhandle. Cities in the 15% hail risk area today include Bozeman, Montana, Butte, Montana, Garden City, Kansas, Dodge City, Kansas, and North Platte, Nebraska. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is where we have the highest potential to see hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger today. Cities in the black dashed area today include Billings, Montana, Great Falls, Montana, Bozeman, Montana, Butte, Montana, and Helena, Montana. And again, the black dashed area is the highest potential to see hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger today. And there is a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today that encompasses a small part of Idaho, parts of Montana, parts of Wyoming, parts of South Dakota, central Nebraska, central Colorado, central Kansas, eastern New Mexico, northern and western Texas, most of Oklahoma, and west central Arkansas. Cities in the 5% hail risk area today include Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Wichita, Kansas, and Amarillo, Texas. So, in summary, scattered severe thunderstorms are expected this afternoon and evening across parts of Montana, extending southward across portions of the central and southern high plains. The greatest concentration of severe thunderstorms should occur across central and eastern Montana, where large to very large hail, severe winds, and perhaps a few tornadoes are anticipated. So, that's the day one outlook. So, anyway, stay safe in the affected areas today and tonight. Have a way of getting your warnings, whether it be your TV, radio, or phone. And before you go to bed tonight, be sure to have something to wake you, whether it be your TV, radio, or phone. And if possible, sleep in your safe spot tonight on the lowest level of your home, the lowest level of your home, to avoid having to move during the night. Again, try to sleep on the lowest level of your home. So stay safe today and tonight, and my day 2 outlook will come out this afternoon, following the afternoon update from the SPC. Take care.